Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with some foils, and they're brand foils. But when you go on the site, it's kind of going to be, I guess, because, you know, they're brands and they don't want to get in trouble because there's probably a patent on these brands. So what they do is they like blur out the picture, or they just don't put a picture and it's just called brands. So I'll put the link down below. But we got some Louis Vuitton, Dior, Chanel. These ones I believe are Louis Vuitton. Yeah. Louis Vuitton. Gucci, Chanel. Some more Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Chanel. So I did cut these into little pieces to make it easier. And I tried one out beforehand. So here's how the one came out. The Louis Vuitton one. I only got the LV a little bit on the side. Then I top coated it with some UR Sugar Gel top coat. So I'm just going to get into doing the rest of them. And what I did was I painted the ones that are black with a black base, just in case you get like miss a piece, it won't be so noticeable. This plain black one I did with the silver. So, oh, no. I forgot that I already put the glue on them too and let it dry. I did clear for a couple of those. And then like on this one, just to see, to go over it like with that one. So I'm just going to show you the bases I used real quick. And then for like the brown, I did a dark brown base. Kind of looks black, but it is brown. For the brown, I used Seal Brown, J Polished. Just a regular dark medium brown. Can't even see the front of the... And then for black, I just used OPI. Never have too many friends. I always love their little puns. And then for the tan one, again, OPI, Let's Be Friends. And then I put this underneath it. Kitty White. And then I have a red nail. And you've seen these on my channel before. Usually when I use the like tan ones and stuff, they're just the Believe Beauty from Dollar General. This one is Duchess, and it's like a dark red, maroon. And I believe that's it. And then I just used Full Beauty Nail Foil Adhesive Glue from AliExpress. So what I am going to do now is just get into it, and I'll be back when I am all done. Okay, so I'm back, and these foils work really good, and some of them, like this one, perfect. I fixed that Louis one a little bit because I don't know, and I am clipping the sides because if it's long, sometimes if you don't clip it and you put it on, it kind of like bunches up a little bit. So when you clip the sides, it kind of makes it where it won't bunch up because it's clipped. So if that makes sense, but yeah, that's why I do it. So if your nails are longer and it's like creasing up, you could just clip the sides a little bit. But yeah, like that one came out perfect. That one came out really good. So I'm definitely impressed with these foils. And again, it doesn't, when I put them down below, it'll just say brands. It won't have the picture of them. So just look for the name. And yeah, they came out really good. So hope you like this video. These fancy nails. Definitely really cute, even if you just like paint all your nails black and you do one with an accent nail or something, or you paint all your nails gold, you could do one nail like that. I love this hollow one. It's gorgeous. Oh, and I never told you, with the silver one, I used the OPI Push and Shove. This is okay. It's really cool because it can melt. I have a video where it like melts over like a 3D sticker, but it is only good for one night. I think it even says it on here. Yeah, here, Push and Shove is intended for one night only wear, because it's supposed to be like a mirror polish. But and then you put this little one on it and make sure it fully dries, and then you put that on. Didn't look super mirrored today though for some reason. Maybe because I put the foil glue and it clouded it. But regardless, these foils definitely worked great. So let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you back at my next video. Have a blessed, safe, and wonderful day. Bye.